We've all experienced a bout of hiccups that interrupts a conversation or a meal. Most of the time, they're harmless and temporary. But what's really going on? Hiccups are a common reflex that starts in your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle under your lungs. When something irritates or disrupts the nerves that control your diaphragm, it can cause an involuntary muscle spasm. This quick jerk motion pulls air in and snaps your vocal cords shut, leading to the familiar hiccuping sound. Most hiccups are transient, which means they come and go quickly. They're usually triggered by everyday activities that irritate your diaphragm, like eating too much or too quickly, eating foods that are very hot, cold, or spicy, drinking carbonated or alcoholic beverages, swallowing excess air while you eat or drink, and smoking tobacco or cannabis. Sometimes hiccups last more than a few minutes. Persistent hiccups are those that last longer than 48 hours, while intractable hiccups are those that last longer than a month. These prolonged hiccups are often caused by underlying medical conditions or triggers, like gastrointestinal issues, like acid reflux, central nervous system problems, like stroke or Parkinson's, lung conditions like pneumonia, tumors or metabolic imbalances, or certain medications or recent surgeries involving anesthesia. Transient hiccups can be a nuisance, but they usually go away within a few minutes. To speed up the process, you can try home remedies like holding your breath or sipping cold water. But if your hiccups last more than 2 days or interfere with activities like eating, sleeping, or breathing, see a healthcare provider to check for underlying causes. They'll find the cause and recommend treatment so you can start feeling better and hiccup-free.